There's a lot of hype around penny stocks, and you might be wondering, why is there so much hype around penny stocks? Maybe you should also get into it, trade some penny stocks. But you might be wondering, what is all the hype all about? Why are people so attracted to penny stocks? There's a couple different reasons, at least from my standpoint or my view, and why I believe a lot of people get attracted to the penny stocks. Especially a lot of early traders or investors, people who are just getting started. They really get attracted to penny stocks because of the potential. There's a couple different reasons, but I think it really goes along the lines of two main concepts. First concept is the get rich quick concept. There's a lot of people that get attracted to the stock market because they believe it's a get rich quick scheme to riches. So if I invest or find that one penny stock that skyrockets, triples, quadruples, then, I'll make a ton of money and, I can live fairly comfortably and do that once or twice more, then I'll have a great life or a great lifestyle. Unfortunately, this is a lot more difficult than it seems. Oftentimes, you have to be more consistent. You have to be more consistent about your picks. It's not to say that you can't make profits or money trading penny stocks. It's basically a game that still can be played and can be profitable for you if you like trading those types of stocks. It's just that they're traded a little bit differently than, let's say, the large cap stocks, because there's a lot more manipulation, a lot of other things that play in. So you have to trade them a little bit differently. But that's not to say that you can't make money trading penny stocks. But one of the reasons that people are attracted to those penny stocks, at least one of the first reasons that comes to mind, is the get rich quick reason. And oftentimes those people get burned out, and that's why a lot of people, they really collapse their accounts in trading because they try to go after the penny stocks without knowing what they are doing at the beginning. They put on such a large position in a penny stock. That penny stock, most of them are trash and get sold off, and they whip you around, they manipulate you, and then you start losing. You start selling your shares or selling your position, and you get burned, and eventually that account either goes to zero that you have, or at least it gets diminished by a great deal. And that's why a lot of people lose a handful or a large sum of money in the markets, because they're trading the wrong vehicles. They're trading these penny stocks in hopes of getting that get rich quick scheme. So rather than putting in the hard work, putting in that study time for multiple years, and then knowing and understanding what they're doing, and then consistently profiting time and time again on a consistent basis. Now, a second reason from my standpoint of why a lot of people get attracted to penny stocks is because of the capital requirements, is because of the capital that they have. A lot of people that invest in the stock market that are just getting started usually don't have a huge portfolio sum or a huge capital amount. So they assume, again, along with the get rich quick scheme, they assume that, because I don't have a large portfolio or large capital amount, that I should be trading the smaller stocks, that I can buy thousands of shares. So let's say you buy 5,000 shares, and if that stock goes up just $5, you make $25,000. Or for a dollar stock or 10-cent stock, I'll trade, 50,000 shares or 100,000 shares. And if it just goes up a little bit, then, I'll make, $100,000, $200,000. And if it goes up to $5, $10, I can have a couple $1,000,000 in my account. That's what a lot of people get attracted to, is the number of shares that they can purchase. But again, oftentimes this does not play out, and it doesn't work out that way. Oftentimes those stocks for 50 cents go down to 20 cents or 10 cents, or get split in various ways to where you even have more shares, and your shares get diluted. So be really careful of what you're trading, the vehicles that you're trading, especially if you're new, especially if you're a beginner. So from my belief and from what I see, these are the two main reasons that a lot of beginners or novice traders get into penny stocks, is because number one, they have a small portfolio or small capital account with their broker, and number two, the get rich quick thinking and mentality. And a lot of times these things don't pan out and don't work out well. That's not to say that you can't make great money trading penny stocks. There's a handful of traders that do very well trading penny stocks because of the manipulation, because of the way that things work in the penny stocks, in the lower dollar value stocks. If you're able to capitalize on that manipulation and learn to read it, learn how the price, the action, the volume, how things behave in the markets, and you are able to, either go long or short and be able to be quick in those transactions, take profits in the strength, then you can do just fine in the stock market trading those penny stocks. But you got to know what you're doing. You got to put the time into it. You got to spend the effort into it. Attend a seminar, buy some penny stocking books or DVDs. You have to put the study time into it. You're not going to do the get rich quick scheme within just a couple of weeks if you just opened up your brokerage account just the other week. So take some time, take some energy, put it into your education, and learn what you're doing before you get into those penny stocks or trading stocks in general. Get at least some sort of foundation, and then you'll see where things go from there. You'll take a road either one way or the other, whether you want to trade the penny stocks, or maybe you have such a huge account of $20, $50 million, $100 million that you need to trade the larger cap stocks, because at that point it becomes about liquidity. Once you start trading about 8 figures, you really need the liquidity. You need the liquidity to get in and out of a stock, and penny stocks just don't allow you to do that. And for that reason, why the big boys, the money managers, don't really trade the penny stocks. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this one, click one of the thumbnails right below this video and you'll continue learning with me. And if you want to see some of the stocks I'm watching in the current market conditions and some of my stock picks and in-depth video lessons on stock trading, then click this link right up here, and when you get there, enter your name and email address and I'll send you those videos as they're released. And don't forget to check out some of my courses when you're there. Thanks again, and remember to do what you love, contribute to others, but most importantly, live life abundantly. I'll see you next time.